Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Range Rover key. We'll cover common issues like dead batteries and damaged casings, offering straightforward solutions you can often do yourself. Understanding these basic repairs can save you time and money, getting your key working smoothly again. We'll also discuss when it's best to seek professional help for more complex problems, ensuring your key functions perfectly. Replacing your key's battery is often the simplest fix. First, find the small release button on the key fob and slide out the emergency key blade. Next, carefully pry open the key casing to reveal the old battery. Remove it and insert a new CR2032 coin cell battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Snap the casing back together and your key should be ready. If your key's casing or buttons are worn, a new shell can revitalize it. You'll need to purchase a compatible replacement key shell. Carefully open your old key and transfer the internal circuit board to the new shell. Make sure all the buttons align perfectly with their new positions. Once everything is in place, snap the new key shell securely together for a fresh, functional key. Sometimes, a DIY fix isn't enough. If your key has suffered water damage, or if you're experiencing programming issues, it's best to seek professional help. These problems often require specialized tools and expertise. A completely unresponsive key might even need full replacement and reprogramming. Dealerships or certified automotive locksmiths can provide advanced diagnostics and solutions for complex key problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.